I'm
Oh
on
no,
the
no, no! You need me in your life. You need me in your life. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm so sorry.
okay.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I just got dicks in on my stream.
Oh, that's every time, right? No?
Every time I stream with you, somebody put dicks on my stream. I don't know, and that was so loud. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
No, it's okay. It's just trying to
Yeah, Pipi's kind of startled me too. Huh?
What?
What?
My color seems a lot more pointless than yours.
Wait, we'll figure it out.
My double
My god, these PPs, bro.
Two of me in the game. Oh, okay. No, it's okay. Oh, that's every time, right? No?
Count that, Dad. Count that. Also, I died once at the start. Yeah, I got squished. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I keep getting these PPs on my...
No, it's okay. I feel like whenever that happens to me, I freak out a lot more than you do, so you don't have to do it.
It's so loud, and no matter how much I make it less loud, it's still the loudest one. I don't know why. So many PPs later.
So terrible with my power.
No problemo, amigo. Watch this. Watch. You get it? Because it's a watch and I'm holding a watch. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
That one was good.
Whoa, okay. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. There was another thing. Wait, this doesn't work.
Okay, it's like.
Wait, did I push you?
Yeah.
My god. How many PPs later? Can you even hear it through Discord?
Okay, what?
The PPs, no?
You're alert? No, so you're just yelling.
Oh my god, give me just 1 second, okay? 1 second.
Okay, no, you're.
Oh my goodness! The PPs! She only hears me shouting in her ear, man! Don't make it look weird. She's gonna think I'm a weirdo. Daddy Prince, thank you for the 26 months. Also, Mando, I see that it was you the whole time.
Say anything about what we do? Lose track of those?
I don't know how to lower it. I literally have no idea. Hey, why are you mean? I don't know. No question.
Okay.
Oh my god, they're weirdos. They're weirdos. He is white. Oh wow.